Hello guys, so today we'll be starting an important chapter in maths, that is linear inequations. You are obviously very much familiar with the chapter that is called linear equations, right? What is linear equations? So our chapter name is linear inequations. Okay, now we know something like this: 3x plus 7 is equal to 9. We have done this kind of problems. We have found out what is the value of x. Okay, in this case what we did is x is equal to 9 minus 7 2 by 3. Okay, this was called as equation, linear equations. Linear equations. But while I am talking about inequations, the values are like this. Say this is inequation. That means which is not equal. Equation means it is equal. Inequation means it is not equal. So in that case, there may be this kind of sign, there may be this kind of sign, there may be this one, there may be this one. Okay? So these are basic things about the chapter that is called linear inequations. There are certain other things you need to know. If somebody mentions that x is an element of z, I hope you are very much well conversant with set theory. X is an element of z, then this z has some meaning, right? It can be z, it can be I also. Z and I basically means integers. Okay? It can be x, n. N means natural number. It can be whole numbers. It can be R, real numbers. These notations must be learned by heart because they won't let you know whether it's integer, natural number, whole number or real numbers. You have to remember z means integer and accordingly you have to choose. It will be much more clear what is the use of all these things when we go into problems. Abhi dekho, suppose what are integers? Integers is like this: minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, like this, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. What are natural numbers? Natural numbers and whole numbers has a basic difference, but these are all pure numbers. This doesn't have any decimals inside it. Natural numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, infinity, right? Whole numbers, natural number doesn't have 0, whole numbers has 0. This is the difference between natural number and whole number. So this is integer, this is natural number, this is whole number. Real number means a continuous stream. Real number cannot be written like this. Real number has to be presented by something called number line, must be known to you. Okay, so it's something called number line. So we are going to study number line also. That is also very important right now. In this chapter, number line will be very, very important. Okay, so let us go to number line. A number line is a line like this, wherein we put numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, like this. This is number line. Now, if it is an integer, suppose I give you some integers like this: minus 3, minus 2, 0, 1, and I say you to plot this on number line, then how will I plot? Minus 3 is this one. I'll make a dot like this, I'll make a dot like this, then it is 0, then it is 1. So this is a number line which can be said to represent this integer. Now suppose I say you to represent x which is less than, x is more than say 1, and less than 4 where x is an element of real numbers. Now the things are a little difficult because real numbers are continuous numbers. It is not any point. Okay, I can't say that 1, 2, 3, 4, that way I can't say. Okay, because real numbers are continuous numbers. So it starts from 1. Okay, it starts from 1, but x is always more than 1. So here on it starts, but you have to remember x is more than 1. It should end at 4, but x is less than 4. In such a case, we put like this. Sometimes we shade it. If suppose this dot, this circle with nothing in between means that this set does not include 1 and this set also does not include 4. If this was like this, then what happens? Now obviously x also includes 1 and also 4. In that case this number line will change to like this. There are various notations in your books to show or to represent these numbers in number line. This may not be like this, this may be like a little different. We are using a notation that is simpler for me, but you shall use the one that is suggested by you, suggested by the school teacher to you, because at the end of the day you have to give school exams and he or she may not like it. I am saying it openly, he or she may not like it when you follow a notation from a certain book. This is also given in some book. I am following that. Okay, so please follow the teacher's notation, whatever notation your school teacher is giving you, because there are various notation, various way to show. Okay, so now no one is wrong, everybody is correct. It is just how to show. So this is how I represent the real number. Now suppose I give you I ask you to represent this on number line. So see, it is natural number. That means these are pure numbers. These are not continuous line. So first of all, what you do, you can write the values of x that can have in between this. So it starts from -1, more than -1, but it are natural numbers. Natural numbers, just now we have discussed, natural numbers will always start from 1, right? It does not include 0 or negative. So obviously I will take 1, 2, 3. I cannot take 4 because it is less than 4. So this will be the set. In this case, I have to plot it like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. So this will be 1, another. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Done. So that is how we are going to study this, and this is very important. The basics, the introduction, that is very much necessary to complete this chapter, that is called inequation. Very small chapter and very easy chapter. Easily marks aa jata hai. You can get around 4 to 5 marks in ICSE examination on this. Okay, now let us go to one of the problems that will be easy for us. Okay. X and y are I plus such that 2 less than is equal to x less than is equal to 5 and also 3x plus 2y less than is equal to 12. So what is the question? Question has been asked that you have to list all the possible values of y. So y का जितना भी values है वो आपको list करना है. So इसमें see what they have said, x and y are I positive. That means these are positive integers. Okay, it's a little bit trick question. This is positive integers, so that you need to remember. So anyways, if you see the values of x are lying between 2 and 5. So as they are integers, I'll first find out the set that is comprising of x. All integers. So if you see, it starts from 2, 2 is already a positive integer. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? 2, 3, 4, 5. Done. My next question, or I have to find out that 3x plus 2y is less than or equal to 12. So what I'll do, I'll write this equation like this: 3x plus 2y less than or equal to 12. I'll put first, I'll take x is equal to 2. So 3 into 2, 6 plus 2y less than is equal to 12. Okay? 2y less than is equal to 6. Y, 2 will go this side. It will divide it, is equal to 3. So y can be having values less than is equal to 3. So we know now for this it is integer plus, that means only positive integers has to be considered. You cannot take negative integers. So what will be the values of y in this case? 1, 2, 3. Okay? Next, let's take x is equal to 3 and check what is the values that are coming. So this will be 9, 3 into 3 plus, you have to write it again, 1 second, okay? 2y less than is equal to 12. So 9 plus 2 into 2y less than is equal to 12. So 2y will be less than is equal to 3. So y will be less than is equal to 3 by 2, that is 1.5. So y's value will be 1. Okay? So that is it. That is y's value. That will be 1. Done? So if you check others also, it will come within this set also. So please do others also. Take y is x is equal to 4, x is equal to 5 and check what are coming. Let's take 4 also. X is equal to 4. So in that case, I'll do it over here. I'm not sure if you can see the bottom ones. X is equal to 4. In that case, 3 into 4 plus 2y less than is equal to 12. In that case, it will be 2y less than is equal to 0. Y less than is equal to 0. So in this case, y will be null set. Right? Null set. Why? Because y doesn't have any values. Less than is equal to 0. Less than is equal to 0 would have been integer, but negative integer. But this is all I plus, so we need not take that. Next, x is equal to 5. In that case, 3 into 5 plus 2y less than is equal to 12. So y will be less than is equal to minus 3 by 2. So this is less than equal to minus 3 by 2. That means already it's in the negative integer line. There is no possibility. Again, y is equal to null set. So this is the one that needs to be taken care. Y is equal to 1, 2, 3. This encompasses y is equal to 1 also. So that is how these problems to be done. This is a very nascent problem. The first problem we did right now. I hope everybody of you understood it. Okay, let's do the next problem. X plus 2 by 15 less than is equal to minus 8 by 15. X is an element of R. That means they are talking about real numbers. Okay, they are talking about real numbers. So simply what you will do? You will do x less than is equal to minus 8 by 15. This will go that side, so this will become minus 2 by 15. So x will be less than equal to 15 will become, you can take this as LCM. So here also 15, here also 15, minus 8 minus 2 less than is equal to minus 10 by 50. This will cancel out, 2, 3. So minus 2 by 3. So x is less than is equal to minus 2 by 3. That is the answer of this question. For this, x will be part of real numbers. So this one, suppose anybody says you plot this in a number line. So first of all, you will draw a number line like this. What is this basically? This is minus 2 by 3, you can calculate. This will come at 0.667 approximately. So this is 0, this is 1, this is 2. This is minus 1, this is minus 2. So minus 0.667. So approximately you have to take it like this. Okay. you have to mark it as minus 0.667, okay, and then it is just going like this. So just shade it. As this is less than equal to, I have marked it complete dot, filled dot, not open dot, right? Not a open circle, it's a filled dot. Okay. So if somebody asks you to mark it in a number line, this is the procedure that you need to follow. Okay. So can I copy it? Everybody copy it? So next question is, solve the inequation. This will be easy for you. Okay. Let's do this one. 3 minus 2x more than equal to x minus 12. X is a part of n, that is natural number. So how will I do this? Remember, if you remember one thing, sometimes we did like this, minus 2x is equal to minus 4 and we have written 2x is equal to 4. We have cancelled out negative signs from both sides. This is a very important concept. Okay, very important. You know why it happened? Because what we did is, we brought this to this side and we went that to that side. Take this 2x to that side and then we wrote this. Okay. This is not applicable when it is like this. Suppose it is like this. Now suppose it is minus, and what you do, you write like this, 2x. This is not correct. Why this is not correct? See, because this is not normal equation, this is inequation. Okay? Now from here, what I can do, minus 4 I can bring to this side, 2x. Okay. Now you see between this, here 2x is less than 4, here 2x is more than, here 2x is more than 4, here 2x is less than 4. This is correct, but this is not correct. Now you understood why this is happening. In case of inequation, you cannot cancel out the negative sign from both sides. Okay. So in case you want to know a shortcut for this, if it is like this, minus 4, and you want to omit this from both sides, remember, then you just change the sign. Okay, this is shortcut, but I will suggest you to do like this, because this clears your concept why you are doing it. This doesn't. This doesn't. This is just a shortcut trick. And now let's come into the problem over here. I'll take all the x in this side. So 3 minus 2x minus x more than is equal to minus 12. Okay. Next is, here it is minus 3x. I'll take this 3 to this side, minus 12 minus 3. So this will be minus 15. So here see, negative sign on both sides, exactly the problem I have chosen to explain you this concept. Now there was no other intention to choose this problem basically. So here you see, I'll do the my way only, that is I'll take it this side, that side. That is, I'll write it 15, I'll write it like this, and I'll do it this way. Okay. And if required, right now, what I can do, I can bring this 3 over here. So I'll get 5x. Now I'll change the sides. How will I change the side? I know x is less than equal to 5. So I'll write it this way. Okay? And these are all natural numbers. If somebody says me to put it in a number line, it is less than is equal to 5. So here x may dot 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 dot. Not 0, natural number, doesn't consist of 0. It is also not negative. Okay, problem solved. Ho gaya pura. Okay, now we will be doing some different kinds of linear equation, a little bit complex than this, when there will be two linear equations and we need to find out the value of x. Okay, let us take the first problem, 4x minus 19 less than 3x by 5 by 2 minus 2 less than equal to minus 2 by 5 plus x, where x is a part of real numbers. So they have said me to plot the values of x in number line. So first of all I have to find the value of x, then only I can plot, है ना? तो चिंता करने का कोई बात नहीं, हो जाएगा. So first of all you just take one of the equation. Okay, I'll do it this side. 4x minus 90 less than 3x by 5 minus 2. What I'll do? Try to take all the x from that side to this side. This we have learned from our childhood days. We will take it that side, minus 2 plus 90. Now this one I will see 5, 20x minus 3x less than 17. Next is 17x by 5 less than 17. So here x less than 17 into 5 by 17. 17 cancels out, x is less than 5. ठीक है? Okay, now this part. So 3x by 5 minus 2 less than or equal to minus 2 by 5 plus x. Again the same procedure. I'll bring all the x this side. 3x by 5 minus x less than or equal to minus 2 by 5 plus 2. So 3x minus 5x by 5 less than or equal to 5 minus 2 plus 10. So minus 2x by 5, 8 by 5. ठीक है? So this is also important. Next is, now here there is a negative sign. So what I'll do, I'll take this to that side. I'll bring minus 8 by 5 to this side because this is coming to this side. Keep it as it is because I have not done any shortcut trick. Now as you know, I have to find out the x. So minus 8 by 5 into 5 by 2 less than is equal to x. 5 cancels out, minus 4. So from here I can write x more than equal to minus 4. So what I am getting over here, x is more than equal to minus 4. That means I can write like this, minus 4x, right, less than 5, wherein x is a part of real number. This is the solution set. Right? Now if somebody says me to plot it in a number line, I need to rub the first line to draw the number line, right? Can you see up to this? I just check. Okay, my alignment is correct. I have to do all these things myself. I don't have a technical team to do it. इसके लिए क्या technical team चाहिए यार? Okay, now this is the number line. It has to start from minus 4 because I need it. Okay, these are real numbers, so this is continuous. It shall start from minus 4 and it will encompass minus 4 because it is less than equal to is there. So complete full dot, then up to 5 circle without fill. Okay, done. So number line is also done. See how easy it is. It is not tough. Just you need to do one by one. That's it. It's a very easy chapter. Another very good problem we'll do. We are doing different kinds of problem because that will give you ideas. Doing same kind of problem time and time again, wastage of my and your time. There is a solution set A, 4 less than 3x minus 2, okay, less than equal to 13, okay, x is part of real numbers. There is another set B, which is also x minus 2 less than is equal to minus 5 plus 7x less than 40. Okay, x is a part of here integer over here, so I have to write I. From here they have asked me to find out a intersection B in number line. Nice one, very nice problem. So first I'll try to solve everything about A, then I'll go for B, find solution set, and then we'll intersect them. So first step is, let's think about A, let's not think about all those things. The first equation, so I'll first find out solution set A. 4 less than 3x minus 2, so that means 4 plus 2, 3x, that means 6, 3x, that means 2x. Correct? Clear? Here I can write also like this, x more than, let's keep it like this only, it will be useful for you. Anything less than sign is always useful while you find out the, at last, the solution set. Another set will be this one, 3x minus 2 less than is equal to 13, 3x less than is equal to 15, x less than is equal to 5. Okay, now what will be the solution set for A? So A is, at the end of the day, A is a real number, so I have to write x less than is equal to 5. You can understand why it is now very important to keep it like this, so I can directly put it, right? Any less than or less than equal to sign is easy for me to put. So this is solution set of A. Now if I want to find out B, so minus 2 less than is equal to 5 plus 7x minus 2 minus 5, 7x minus 7 less than is equal to 7x, here it is minus 1 x, correct? 7 coming down, cutting out, and minus 1 is. Now minus 5 plus 7x less than 40, so 7x less than, this will be going to that side, so minus 5, 45 will be there, so x will be less than 45 by 7. Correct? Is it correct? It's minus 5 plus 7x. Okay. This is plus 5. Okay. So 35 by 7. So x is less than 5. So here also I can find out easily what is the solution set for B. Minus 1 less than is equal to x. Achha, here it was part of real numbers. Here it will be a part of integers. Okay, but for integers I can really directly put it, because it will be minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, not including 5, right? So here also if you see, it starts from 2. So first of all I will draw a number line for this, for real numbers, very important. Okay, it starts from 2 less than equal to, that's why not a field dot, this will be field dot because this is less than equal to. So it starts from 2. If you see, this is starting from minus 1. I have to find out A intersection B. Remember, if you find out intersection, that means only those parts has to be taken that is common between the two. So here anything more than 2, 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, everything is a part of this set. This is not. So obviously, and another thing, if you see, this is absolutely not part of this set. So 3 and 4 is part of this set and also that set. So A union B will be 3, 4. Again, if somebody says me to plot in a number line, I'll happily do so. Like this. Done? I hope you guys are understanding it very crystal clear, and we have also done a very good problem. This is a very good problem. If you see, we have covered up. If it was A union B, suppose I cover another problem in the same scenario, then what would it be? Obviously, it include -1, it will include 0, it will include 1, it won't include, it will include 2 also. Okay, it will, after that, after 2, it will be 2 less than x less than is equal to 5. Pretty complicated, right? But the number line would be complicated too. So I'll draw this number line. Very important. Very important. Let's see. We have got some good thing out of the blue moon. So it starts with -1, 0, 1. We need 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So here if you see, -1 and 0 and 1 and 2 is a part of the number line, but as integer. So this part will be shaded. Okay, but not this 3. Nice one, right? A combined number line where something is real number, something is integers. Nice one. So this is another important problem that we do right now. So after this, I think it will be easy for you to do linear inequation in your ML book. Please start the chapter. This is class 1. We will be taking class 2 also on this, solving some more problems. Thank you very much.